My name is Cindy Hayden. I live in Loveland, and I'm disabled, and I do use medical marijuana. When my son decided to open a dispensary so that he could help people on Social Security and veterans who've served our country get their medicine for a cheaper price, he searched for 6 months for the perfect place. He didn't want to be by schools. He didn't want to be by residentials. He searched and he found a place clear outside of Loveland, and it's at Bears Den, Rainbow Plaza. There's a winery right beside us. There's a grocery store there. We're off of the road. There's no schools or anything. And my son put every last cent he owned into opening this dispensary for people like me that can't afford to pay the price for their medicine that's being charged. And to shut him down because of a zoning issue is not only affecting me, but it's affecting everybody like me. We can't afford to go to high-end spas to get our medicine. And if somebody can offer it to us at a cheap rate where it's a discrete location, there's no schools, there's no churches, there's no daycares, I don't understand what the problem is. And when my son applied for his license, I believe it was in July, he wrote down medical marijuana dispensary. Everybody knew what we was doing. And earlier in a conversation, I heard the county attorney state, you can't go back and undo what has been done. Well, why is it they want to close my son's dispensary down? It's been open. That's going back and undoing. We pay taxes. We followed the rules. We wrote down medical dispensaries. My son goes out and shovels these handicapped seniors sidewalks for them. Where are they going to go? Nobody else does that for free. He rakes their lawn, and these people depend on him. We have half of our clientele in his store is senior citizens, and the other half are senior citizen vets. He gives them discounts, and he can because of where he's at. If you make him lose his business, his family's going to go on welfare. And then all these other people are going to go out there looking for other dispensaries. They're not going to be able to afford it. He's doing your country, your county, your city a favor. He's not taking a profit here. He's not hurting anybody, and nobody's around that area. There's liquor stores, and another thing I'd like to say is liquor stores are open on Sunday. Are you telling me if I was out of my Vicodin or my Oxycontin, I'm not allowed to go to Walgreens to pick it up on Sunday? That's not fair. If you hurt, you hurt. There's no time limit on when I'm going to get phantom pain or when my insides cause me to puke all day. I can't say, oh, don't do this because it's Sunday. Maybe I don't have money. Maybe I have to borrow money to get my medicine. Somebody's going to bring that to me Saturday. I can't get to a dispensary unless it's Sunday. Well, you're going to tell me I can't get my medicine because it's Sunday? I have to be in pain and wait till Monday? I just, my own opinion and I'm doing everything by the book. That's not fair. Colorado says we can have it. And I don't think it's fair that you put all these stipulations. We'll go here and between 8 and 3. And it's more dangerous to go to a bank today than it is a dispensary. How many banks have been robbed? They don't have security like we do. My son put security in. The whole 9 yards. We have ATT or ADT. It's secure. It's well lit. It's public, but it's discreet. We have people, patients, that are government workers that come to his dispensary and are legal medical marijuana users, and they're government. It doesn't matter. It's all levels of life.
Thank you, ma'am. Your time is up.
Okay? Go ahead, Mr.
Last question. Thank you, Madam Chairman. I appreciate you coming, and I appreciate the fact that your family's trying to run the business the correct way. And that's, I've encouraged some of those folks to help us talk to us about those regulations, because not everybody will want to do that, as we know. And part of the idea of the regulations is to make sure that that you are operating on a level playing field. But what I wanted to ask you, and I appreciate you coming, is and I'm familiar with the area, but I don't know the zoning. What is the zoning
It's commercial.
Your parcel's commercial?
Yes, and I looked it up on the zoning, and it's 4.3, and it said that it is legal to sell drugs, not legal drugs, illegal drugs, not medical drugs, not pharmaceutical drugs. It states it is legal to sell drugs. And in my opinion, medical marijuana is not a drug, it's an herb, and it's a medicine.
Thank you.